One can achieve Krishna just by one holy name. You cannot achieve him by counting how much you have counted. That's good for practice, which we all does. But if you say, okay, I have chanted 16 rounds for 10 years, and Mara and Krishna, the total calculation is approximately, okay, whatever, 10,000. See, I have chanted 10,000, so I should be in the priority list. You have to take me first. No. It's 10,000, it's 10,000 or it's 100,000, it's not going to make any difference. Ek Krishna Naam, Kabiraj says, Jiver Jotapap Hare, Jiver Sadhyanahi Tatapap Karite Pare. Hene Krishna Naam Jiver Loy Bahumar, Tathapi Yadi Naam Bohe Asrudhar, Tahula Janive Aparad Sakshaya Prachur, Krishna Naam Bija Matra Naparam Pura. Eka Krishna. You will achieve just by one holy name. When that one would come from the deepest portion of your heart, from the depth, and all the others are the practice to reach to that deepest portion. When the actual time comes, when you forget about everything and chant from the bottom of your heart, just once, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And that is very much enough. But that one, to reach to that one, that's your own qualification, that you reach to that one holy name in one life, or in 1 year, or in 1 minute, or in 1,000 life. But that one, when you will, that one would arrive in your heart, then before even the finishing of Mahamantra, Krishna would be standing in front of you. Eka Krishna. We are practicing to achieve to that one, where it is coming from all over of our heart, from everything. Not just from the mouth, not just from the throat, from everywhere. But for that you need to keep practice. A singer only have performance on the stage for 15 minutes. But for that 15 minutes, he practiced for 15 years. And if he practiced well for 15 years, then only he can impress in 15 minutes. He only has 15 minutes. You would only have 1 second, even lesser than 1 second, the time of death. And you have the practice, you have a time for practice which is your whole life. If you have practiced that holy name throughout your life, then only you can remember about it at the last minute. That's the state of a bona fide devotee. Gopis were used to afraid sometimes to to even call Krishna. Gopis were afraid. They just, that comes from their heart, Kri, and then they stop. No. We say, Krishna come, Gopi says, hey Krishna, go. We want to do our work. They think, Murahar Randhan Samaye Makuram Murali. Gopi thinks, if I say Krishna, Krishna will come here. And if he comes here, then I can't do anything else. I have so much work to do. I have to cook, I have to do many things. Don't say his name. Kri. He just used to Kri and then he used to stop. No. That's their way. But we should have a motive. His Pramukh Naam, his main name, he will recognize in all the devotees as Balaram. But he would have many different names. Balabhadra. Bhadra means, Bal means strengthful. But Bhadra, Bhadra means very, you could say, very gentle. It's very gentle. These are two very hard combinations, being so strengthful and then being gentle. A sadhu can be so strong and still be gentle. But our Balaram is very strong. He's lifting the whole universe. He will lift Narayana. But still very gentle. Bhadra. In material world, if someone has Vidya, Jnana, they use Vidya for Vivad, to fight, for arguments. Hey, see, I am more knowledgeable. Vidya Vivadaya Dhanam Madaya. Manusmriti says, this is a beautiful verse from Manusmriti. Dhanam Madaya. If they have so much money, they become egos. Hey, who are you? Vidya Vivadaya Dhanam Madaya Shakti Paresham Parapidanaya. They use Shakti, power, to beat others. But Jnanaya Dana Yacharakshanaya. If a sadhu have these three things, then a sadhu does opposite. If he has knowledge, he distributes knowledge. If he has money, he gives to those who need it. And if he has power, then he saves people and saves society. Balaram is so powerful, but still very gentle. Balabhadra. His another name is Haladhara. Haladhara. Holding a beautiful hal. Plough. But this plough is from Ramavatar. This is not from here. This plough is specially from Ramavatar. I don't know if you might have heard about it. So, after the marriage of Lord Ram with Sita ji, all the four brothers got married with the four sisters in Ramayana. And after marriage, when they were going back to Ayodhya from Janakpur Dham, then Maharaj Janak came and asked Dashratha, what else I can offer you? He said, no, very good, you have given me 4 daughters, what else I need? He went to Ram. Oh Ram, that's the time he just asked, you need anything else, should I offer you anything? No, Father, everything very good, you have given us so many blessings, we just need you more blessings. Ram is gentle, Ramabhadra. And then, when he asked to Bharat, Bharat also said the same thing. Janak thought, I asked father, and then I asked 2 brothers, elder brothers, now why to ask everyone? He turned and started moving back. Lakshman said, oh father, wait. You are asking to them who don't need. I want. Ram was saying, looking at himself, even if you ask anything, oh, you will insult the whole Suryavansh here. How could you ask? No. Lakshman turned to other side, that even he cannot face Ram. So he can't face Ram. Bharat started touching his back. Hey, don't do. He stood up, so even he can't touch him. But Janak said, oh yeah, I was just going to come to you. I just yeah, tell me what you want, son. He said, I want the plow which you have used on the land of Sita Mani. And when you use this plow on the Sita Mani, then you found Sita Ji. You know, the edge of plow is known as in Sanskrit Situ. In Sanskrit it is known as Situ. So, because of plow, Janak found a daughter. That's why he named her Sita. Because the edge of the plow is known as Situ. So he gifted. But Janak asked, what would you do with this plow? He said, I won't do anything now. I will use it in the next avatar. If a land is so bad, and if in old times it's the same, if you use a good plow, that becomes so fertile. There are many hearts which are very, very dry. Balaram said, I will use this plow and make them fertile so that they can sow the seed of love for Krishna. I will use this plow. So this plow is from Ramalila. Now, in Hindi, that plow is known as hal. Hal. You also call him haladhara. Hal. Now, another meaning of hal is solution. The meaning of hal is solution. Like if you have a query and you ask, oh my teacher, please solve it. The meaning of hal means solution. The one who can give you all these solutions when you have any problem in following this path of Krishna consciousness. Because he is Guru, he is Mukhya Guru Tattva. So he always keep, a Guru always have solutions of all kind of problems. That's why he is Haladhara. Hala means solutions. Have all the solution of the problems. He is Sankarshana because he is Pramukha Devata of your Antahkarana. So there are many names, he explained beautiful, but his main name would be Balaram. Yashoda Maiya calls him sometimes Ram only. Ram, slang in slang. Ram. And all the friends and cowhead boy, they call him Dau. Brajvasi call him Dau or Dada. Dau Dayal Vraj Sambhare Haravnath Mama Sangat Bhare. Dau. There's one Prakathe, there's one saying of Brajmandal, very beautiful. Prithvi kahe main badi, to shesh ke sir par kyun padi? Shesh kahe main bada, to Shankar ke gale mein kyun padi? शंकर कहे मैं बड़ा कैलाश के ऊपर क्यों खड़े कैलाश कहे मैं बड़ा रावण के हाथ में क्यों पड़ा तो राम के हाथ से क्यों मरा, राम कहे मैं बड़ा तो भक्त के पीछे क्यों मरा, तो भक्त कहे मैं बड़ा तो हरि नाम के पीछे क्यों मरा। इसलिए अंत में निकला यह परिणाम, राम से बड़ा राम का नाम। Don't worry, I'll explain in English. पृथ्वी कहे मैं बड़ी. If Earth says I'm ultimate, I'm the biggest, then why Prithvi, why this Earth is on the head of Shesha? It's just one beautiful saying of Braja. Now, if Shesh says I am the ultimate, then why he's on the neck of Shiva? Because Shiva Puran says Shiva holds Shesh always. If Shiva says I am the biggest because I am holding Shesh, then why he is standing on Kailash? Why he took shelter of Kailash? If Kailash says I am the biggest, then how Raman can come and lift Kailash? When Raman used to come, he used to lift the whole Kailash. कई चेला ऐसे होंगे गुरुजी को सौरो आश्रम में हिला डाला, ये भी असली चेला। He used to lift the whole Kailash. Parvati ji used to be afraid with him. Oh. Many disciples are like this, only they shake the whole ashram of their guru. So he left. How Raman can lift Kailash? If Raman says, I am the biggest, I can lift Kailash. When there was fight between Bali and Ravana, and then Raman has to, in between the fight, someone called Bali. They were just playing, and then Bali has to go. But Raman was continuously disturbing. No, fight with me, fight with me. He said, let me. He said, no. So he took Raman and put him here. And he forget for 7 months. Raman was here for 7 months. And after that, something itched there. Oh, you were here? 7 months he was here. So if Bali said that I am the biggest, I can beat Ram, then why he is killed by Ram? Then if Ram says I am the ultimate, then why he is running behind his devotees? Aham bhakta paradina, Krishna himself said, I am adhin, I am under my disciple, I am under my devotees, I am under my lovers. Draupadi calling Krishna running there, Brajvasi calling Krishna running there, you are calling Krishna running here, he is just taking care of all the devotees. So Ram says, I am the biggest, then why he is running behind his devotees? Now if the devotees says we are the biggest, even Ram is following us, then why they are behind the beautiful holy name? They are continuously chanting holy name. So what's the conclusion then? The holy name is the ultimate. Gargachari name again, this Sukta Prabodhya. It's not like that Krishna only got name here. It is always there, even before arrival on this planet. But Gargachari again published it to this world, revealed it again. The exact name is Krishna. Yatha nama tatha guna. Your name should be according to your qualities. Krishna is attractive always. The one who is attractive. That's why you get this name. It's always should be. What are your qualities? Your name should be like this. Yashoda Maiya tried a lot singing. She sung 10 songs. But still Krishna was not sleeping. He said, okay, you get bored of songs, then I'll tell you a story. But then if you want to listen to the story, then listen to the whole story. Don't sleep in the middle. Otherwise you won't be able to understand. Yeah. No. You have to say in the middle. Then I know that you are listening to me nicely. Okay. Then Yashoda Maiya saying story. Ramo naam babu bahu tadbala Site tyhu te pitu Vacha panchavati vane nivasata tasya haran ravana Saumitre kwa dhanuriti vyaghragira patuva. In this beautiful verse, when you have heard, that's Krishna is doing. Ramo nama babhuvahum tadbala Siteti te pitu. That who is of Krishna's. So Maya said, oh Krishna, there was one king, an incarnation of Lord Narayana, himself Godhead. He is himself Godhead. Lord Rama, King Rama. Krishna said, Ramo nama babhuba tadbala. Then he married to Sita. His wife's name was Sita. Then Krishna said, When it comes to Priyaji, then he would always be so happy. Suramo nama babhubahum tadbala Siteti te pitu. Then Krishna, they have to struggle a lot to teach this society. Just after their marriage, they have to go to jungles. Some conflict happened in between mothers. She was just explaining. Krishna is silent. In this line he didn't say, because of old sorrow came back. And sorry, that was it. Vacha panchavati vane nivasita tasya. In this whole line there is no who. Krishna is listening. Then they made a hut in Panchavati and they were staying there. But Krishna, what happened? Tasya harana ravana. There was a demon called Ravana. He came and kidnapped the wife of Ram. When Yashoda Maiya have said this, Krishna jumped from her lap. Saumitre dhanuriti vyaghragira. Krishna changed to the mood of Ram and said, Hey Saumitra, oh Lakshmana, bring my bow, I will kill this demon now. I missed him last incarnation, today I won't miss. He jumped and shouted. Yashoda Maiya said, what happened to you? I even didn't told you that your brother's name was, Rama's brother's name was Saumitra? Krishna said, Oh, I just speculate, mother. Oh, he said, what's that? Saumitra? Yeah? Oh, ma, I'm very tired. Man, once he again jumped and slept in 1 second. I was not sleeping for the last 2 hours. Blissful Leelas in Brajamandal. I pray to the lotus feet of Sri Radharaman and Sri Radharani. May they reveal these beautiful pastimes to all of you, and you can conceive them, you can receive them in your heart, and you can actually enter to that blissful world and can chant the holy name from the depth of your heart. Krishna can come to you, Krishna can embrace you, you can achieve devotion, and you can receive Krishna. Thank you.